Creating a Webflow template allows you to design reusable layouts and styles that can be applied to multiple projects. Here's how to create a Webflow template. Start a new project. Log into Webflow and click on New Project. Choose a blank project to begin designing your template. Design your layout. Use Webflow's Designer tool to create your template's layout. Add sections, columns, and elements such as headers, footers, navigation menus, and content blocks. Style elements. Customize the design of each element using the Style panel. Set colors, fonts, spacing, and other properties to create a cohesive look and feel. Create symbols and components. Identify elements that you want to reuse across pages or projects, such as headers or call to action buttons. Convert these elements into symbols or components for easy editing and consistency. Add interactions and animations. Enhance a template with interactive elements and animations using Webflow's Interactions panel. Define animations triggered by user actions or page load. Set up CMS collections. If your template includes dynamic content like blogs or portfolios, set up CMS collections. Define collection fields and design collection item layouts. Preview and test. Use Webflow's preview mode to review the template's functionality and responsiveness across different devices. Save as template. Once finalized, save your project as a template by clicking on the template button in the top right corner of the designer. Give your template a name and description. Publish. Publish your template to Webflow's template marketplace if you want to share or sell it to other Webflow users.